Hey, I'm here in my studio and I wanted to show you the latest project that I did. I worked on some soundproofing of my windows because my neighbor's doing some construction, so let's just listen to what it sounds like here. Sounds pretty good, eh? Now I'm going to walk outside and show you what's on the other side of this door. Starting to hear it? Whoops, dropped the camera there for a sec. So this is my backyard. So it is pretty freaking amazing if you ask me what that soundproofing, how well that soundproofing worked. I'll show you in a video soon how I did it.